Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm taking a look at the Merry Retinol Surge Moisturizer, and it includes hyaluronic acid, vitamin A, vitamin E, and green tea, and it is 3.4 fluid ounces or 100 milliliters. Now let me tell you a little bit about the product. They are, first of all, animal friendly. They do not test on any animals. It's cruelty free and it's made in the USA, which is really great. And retinol is considered to be one of the most powerful, potent anti-aging ingredients in the beauty industry for its age-kicking abilities. Merry's Retinol Surge Moisturizer, you'll get incredible strength of a 2.5% retinol as a daily facial moisturizer to load your skin with anti-aging components while adding a wave of much needed moisture, which is what we all need. You have to moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. That's the only way to keep your skin looking nice and young and fresh. And Merry's Retinol Cream is the perfect daily moisturizer to help improve skin tone and texture by working to reduce wrinkles, fine line, discoloration, acne, sun damage, and other marks and spots. By combining the elements of a serum and a moisturizer, you get the ultimate facial cream that controls breakouts but nourishes your skin at the same time. So this is what the back looks like. Made in the USA, not tested on animals, and they're out of New York City. I do not believe you could take this on a plane because I think this is over the ounce limit, so you'd have to pack it in your suitcase. But it's a wonderful, wonderful daily moisturizer for your skin. It also has, it's organic. It has plant-derived hyaluronic acid to comfort and hydrate your skin, while ingredients like wild-crafted green tea, organic jojoba oil, vitamin E, vitamin B5, and shea butter join forces to combat wrinkles, age spots, and fine lines. And who does not want that? So if you start using Merry's Retinol Cream Moisturizer daily for younger looking complexion, if your younger looking complexion doesn't appear for you and you're not 100% satisfied, Merry offers a 90-day manufacturer guarantee on all of its products. And so if you don't like it and you've been using it for 3 months and you finish the whole bottle, they will give you your money back, which is really fantastic. They say to also use it with their glycolic acid exfoliating cleanser and anti-aging acne face wash, as well as using a super sick serum with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, retinol, CoQ10, and it has 6 times the age benefits. But this is the final step, moisturizing, which is what you want to do before you put your makeup on. So once again, it helps diminish signs of aging, spots, acne. It's nourishing aloe, green tea, leaves your skin soft, smooth, and radiant, plumps, firms, tightens, and restores youthful complexion. 2.5% retinol and hyaluronic acid. So again, the ingredients are organic aloe, organic sunflower oil, botanical hyaluronic acid, organic jojoba oil, organic green tea, organic dandelion. And it's ideal for all skin types, and it's, like I said, it's a great product for diminishing fine lines, wrinkles, acne, or anyone who just wants to overall improve the texture of their skin. And it's gentle enough to be used in your morning routine and also your evening routine, which you should be doing, taking your makeup off, washing your face, putting on your creams, and getting your beauty sleep. And this is part of that routine. So I love it. I love that it's not tested on animals. I love that it has organic ingredients. Other people who've tried it really love it as well, and I just think it's another thing to add to your beauty arsenal to make your face look even better. I mean, your skin can always look better. So Surge Moisture by Body Merry, which has retinol, hyaluronic acid, vitamin A, vitamins E, and green tea. So check it out. Don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.